Morning, dear students. Seeking the abundant blessings of God, let us begin our class, Economics Chapter 1, the story of village Palampur. In economics, production is a very important phenomenon. Production means, or the aim of production is to produce goods or services. Goods means whatever things that we see that are all goods. And services, service of a teacher, service of a nurse, service of a doctor. So these are the services. So I am producing the service. Okay. If a printing press is producing economic book, that printing press is producing goods. Understand? This is how the aim of production is to produce goods or services. So the story of village Palampur. So Palampur is an is a hypothetical or imaginary village. So what CVS is doing here is taking this hypothetical village, trying to make us understand the basic concepts of economic. Okay, so Palampur is a small village. It is nearby it. There are many villages. Uh, just like you can see here, 3 kilometers from Palampur, there is a village called Raiganj. And many kinds of transports are available. I'm reading here, many kinds of transports are available on this road, starting from bullock carts, tongas. All these are the communication system that are available in this village. It is a village. Okay. And how many families are there? There are 450 families in this village, including the SCs. Okay. SCs, you know that they are little backward and their standard of living is little lower. Okay. So here you write down one question. Here you write down one question here. Here you write down Palampur is a fairly well developed village. Justify the statement. That means, did you understand the question? Repeating the question again. Palampur is fairly a well developed village. Well developed village. Okay. So the answer will be this one. How can you say Palampur a fairly well developed village? You see here. Page number 1, left hand side, last paragraph, last line. Most of the houses have electric connections, so it symbolizes development. Most of the houses electric connection is there. Electricity powers all the tube wells in the fields and is in various types of small businesses. That means there is electric connection to the small farms and business units also. There is two primary schools and one high school also is there. That means educational facility is there. There is a primary health center, a hospital facility is there, private dispensary is there. So and also in this point you can see here, road transport, electricity, all these facilities are available. So it shows that Palampur is a fairly well developed village. Understand? The story of Palampur. Okay, it is an imaginary village which will help us to understand the basic concepts of economics. Okay, now let me describe about the organization of production. Organization of production for producing. I told about production. What is the aim of production? Production is to the aim of production is to produce goods and services. Then, for producing goods and services, four things are very much important that are called as factors of production or organization of production. So number one is land, number two is labor, labor, number three is capital. Okay, then number four is, this is called organizer, organizer. Okay, organizer. Land, labor, capital, organization. For suppose for producing economic books, a printing press required a land to to set up a printing press. Okay, Then labor, suppose there is a printing press, who will work? The laborers will work. Then capital, what is capital? Capital are two types, you can see here. Capital, that is called physical capital. One is called fixed capital, the other one is called working capital. The other one is called working working capital. Fixed capital किसको कहते हैं? Tools, machine and buildings, they are called fixed capital because once these are set up, these are used for long period of time. And working capital, raw material and money. Working capital, raw material and money. Raw material, money, that is called working capital because once you have raw material and money, your work starts. So this is called working capital. And the last one is, that is enterprise. It is written here enterprise. It is written here enterprise, but it is also called entrepreneur. Enter Entrepreneur. Okay. So this is all about organization of production. So repeat with me. What are the factors of production or the organization of production? Number one, land. Number two, labor. Number three, capital. Capital में दो आते हैं, fixed capital and working capital. Number four is organizer. What is the work of organizer? Organizer, the very word itself says that organizer organizes, put together all the three units of production, like the three factors of production like land, labor, capital, and starts production. This is the work of the organizer. Thank you.